how to use your MyHealthPace rewards card online. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, you should check your card balance. Before making any purchases, verify your balance by logging into your health plan's member portal or calling the customer service number provided on the back of your card. The second step will be visiting the retailer's website. So you can go to the website of an eligible retailer such as Walmart or any other merchant that accepts the MyHealthPace rewards card. Ensure that the items you're purchasing are eligible. This is the most important part, like health-related products, groceries, personal care items, and certain household products. You will then add your items to cart, select the items you want to purchase, making sure they are approved for payment with your rewards card. Items such as over-the-counter medications, personal hygiene products, and healthy foods are usually eligible. Proceed to checkout. Once you've added the eligible items to your cart, you will proceed to the checkout process. At checkout, when prompted to enter payment details, you will treat the MyHealthPace rewards card like a debit card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV, which is found on the back of the card, as you would with any other debit or credit card. Then you will complete your purchase. After entering your card details, review your purchases to ensure that the balance on your card covers the cost. Complete the checkout process to finalize your purchase. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.